Today we're in Westlake installing motorized patio screens. But here's what most companies won't show you. Instead of running visible conduit on the exterior, we routed all wiring through the attic for a completely clean finish. No exposed lines, no shortcuts, just precision work that keeps your home looking as good as it functions. That's the Camacho Blinds difference.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Orlando, the electrician with Frax Electric Group, and today we're working with Camacho Blinds. And he had asked me to give you a detailed orientation, more or less, of what it takes to get power out into your awning area where the automatic shutters are going. And we're going to give you a little detail shortly thereafter. So just bear with us. It's fairly interesting. This way you guys understand all that's involved in designing one of these custom shades for Camacho Blinds. This is the power that feeds the outlets out in the enclosure. In a few more minutes, we're going to have one of our technicians walk this across and support it.
Here we have Racy geared up and ready to go in the client's attic to place new electrical wiring to power the motorized patio screen. To film this sequence, he has on the Gen 2 Meta Ray-Bans glasses to give you a first-person view on what goes on up in the attic and how he wires and helps power the motorized patio screen. As Racy maneuvers his way to the other side of the attic, he's being mindful to step on the studs to get across. As Racy finally reaches the other side of the attic, he starts to feed the electrical wire through the hole we made for the electrical outlet switch outside. And now he's going to zip tie the new wire to the studs for security as he heads back to start doing the electrical wiring to the power source at the entrance of the attic. Now here, Racy will be taking off the outlet plate cover to rewire the new electrical wire to the power source so that the motorized patio screen outside will have power.
Estamos frenando.
Now,
Here, Alex, Racy, and Justin are going to be installing the patio screen fabric into the gear that makes the screen rise and fall. This screen can be fairly long, going up to 30 feet in length, so it definitely requires an experienced crew to install this correctly. Now the attachment of the weighted bottom bar is being put in place. It's heavy duty as well as anti-corrosion that's designed to hold the screen fabric in place, plus also minimize swaying. Now we are locking the weighted bottom bar in place. Here Alex is putting the side guide channels in place.
Ahí vamos.
And now Racy is finishing off the electrical work on the outside by putting in the outlet switch for the motorized patio screen. He's also caulking it to prevent critters from getting in the attic. Lastly, we are installing the cassette housing onto the fabric and motor, which is a protective shell for when the screen is retracted.
Camacho Blinds, let's take it high. Custom create.
Another Saturday, another system, another unit. Just another day in the business, huh? Go
Now
ahead,
you
man.
get to know a little bit more detail of what's involved in something like this so that you have an educated idea of what the overall cost, quality, and the install. Again, everything is based on the quality of the install. We're a first-class team. Camacho does excellent work.
The value we're bringing. We're working with Sunpro, right? The value we're bringing, even down to, like Orlando said, to the electrical parts. Everything we're doing is the way it's supposed to be done professionally. Give us a call. Give Orlando a call. We're here for you. Any electrical needs, any blind interior needs, any blind exterior needs. We also do the stationary screens as well now. So if you want a door and you want this, you want a mixture. Very important too. We do combo deals. So if you want some electrical done inside, you want some blinds done inside, you want some blinds done outside, some shades, we can do a combo deal and give you all one price.